Ever accidentally closed a tab and panicked about losing your work? Fear not, because bringing back your lost Chrome tabs is surprisingly simple. Let's dive into the quickest way to restore recently closed tabs. If you've just closed a tab, no worries. Right-click anywhere on the tab bar. That's the row where your tab titles are. From the menu that pops up, you'll see an option that says Reopen Closed Tab. Click that, and poof, your tab is back. But what if you have multiple tabs to bring back, or you closed more than one? There's a handy keyboard shortcut for that. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl plus Shift plus T. On a Mac, that's Command plus Shift plus T. Keep pressing it, and Chrome will restore your tabs one by one in the order you closed them. Need to go back even further and restore an entire browsing session? Head to the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of your Chrome window. This opens the Chrome menu. Hover over History, and in the submenu that appears, you'll see Recently Closed. Click on this, and you'll find a list of your recently closed windows and individual tabs. You can click on any of them to bring them back. And for those who are always on the go and want an even easier way to manage your open and closed tabs, consider using a Chrome extension. Search the Chrome Web Store for Tab Reclaim or Session Manager extensions. Many of them offer one-click restoration or even automatically save your browsing sessions, ensuring you never lose valuable information again. So, there you have it. With these simple techniques, you can recover accidental closures and keep your browsing history safe. Stay productive and happy browsing.